You getting tired of dealing. Eddie Murphy said it best in Raw. You get tired of eating those same damn saltine crackers. That's what you've been eating, those same saltine crackers. You wouldn't even know what it tastes like to eat a Ritz. You haven't even given yourself the opportunity to taste the Ritz because you've been eating saltines all your life. So you taste a Ritz, it's nasty to you. You don't like it. So what do? You throw it away. And you find yourself running back to those same old damn crackers,